Hello guys, how y'all doing? So I got me my donuts again from QT. And I'm gonna eat me some meatloaf. So if you ever had meatloaf, let me know how you like it. If you like how it tastes or how do you like to make it or whatever. But my meatloaf was made by my cousin, so I didn't make it myself because I don't cook on a regular. But it is really good. It's really good. I probably gotta warm it up some more, but it's really good. So again, if you ever ate meatloaf, tell me how you make yours. How you like yours made. Ground beef or turkey beef you can use. So keep going. I hope you're having a great week. I hope everything's turning out great for you. And I'll be back soon. Peace.